Designing a fitness app prototype from scratch takes weeks. The OMINI Fitness High-Fidelity Prototype gives you a complete, ready-to-use mobile fitness app with 95 beautifully designed pages. It covers every key section of a fitness app. From course discovery and sports tracking to social dynamics, messaging, user profiles, smart devices, and a full payment flow. All built with high-fidelity visuals. Running, cycling, yoga, and fitness courses, each with detailed schedules, annotations, and progress tracking. Coach profiles, community features, and workout analytics are all included in fully interactive in Axure RP. Designed by OMINI BASS, a certified fitness design team. Pixel-perfect screens follow mobile best practices for a truly native experience. Every element is easy to customize and modify. Compatible with Axure RP 9 and above, with lifetime free updates included. Get the complete OMINI Fitness prototype today for just $109. 95 pages of production-ready fitness app design. Visit AxureBoutique.com and start building your fitness app now.